The universe divided between the powerful Nebula Empire and the rebellious Underskin battles for control of the coveted secret of Mondo Soap. Both factions, driven by their convictions, engage in a fierce war that lights up the cosmos, with each side fighting fervently for the control of Mondo Soap. Amidst chaos, leaders on both sides strategize relentlessly, knowing that the outcome of this war could dictate the fate of countless worlds. On the battlefield below, bravery and sacrifice become the hallmarks of those fighting for their beliefs as the war for Mondo Soap takes a devastating toll. As the conflict escalates, both factions seek alliances, knowing that the key to victory may lie in the strength of their resolve and the unity of their people. Surprise attacks shake the balance of power as each side grapples with the urgency of their mission, determined to protect what they hold dear. On the front lines, the fight for Mondo Soap intensifies with each skirmish, bringing hope and despair in equal measure, as ingenuity becomes a vital weapon. Battles rage on, and as victories and defeats unfold, the resilience of both factions is tested, reminding them of the stakes involved in this war for Mondo Soap. At the heart of the galactic conflict lies Malin, a descendant of the scientist who first discovered Mondo Soap. As she steps into the chamber, she uncovers the intricate web of power struggles that surround her family's legacy. Navigating through data about Mondo Soap, she realizes that its true essence lies in the harmony it fosters between all living beings. In the heart of nature, she witnesses firsthand the balance that Mondo Soap can restore among all creations. Determined to use her newfound knowledge, Malin steps forward, advocating for peace and harmony to end the conflict threatening the universe. With the backdrop of a war-torn landscape, Malin rallies those around her, igniting hope and inspiring courage to seek a peaceful resolution. Embracing her destiny, Malin harnesses the power within her, uniting the factions under a shared vision of peace and balance. As she reveals the ancient secrets, the audience is entranced, awakening to the possibilities that lie in collaboration and harmony. In a grand ceremony, Malin fosters an atmosphere of unity as individuals from all factions come together, forming a bond that transcends their past conflicts. With a hopeful gaze toward the future, Malin stands as a beacon of change, heralding a new era of peace that Mondo Soap has inspired throughout the universe. As Malin learns to harness the true potential of Mondo Soap, she discovers it can purify more than just skin. The soap can cleanse the darkness within, healing emotional wounds and restoring peace to the mind. Those who use Mondo Soap find themselves not only physically rejuvenated, but spiritually renewed. Malin realizes that this soap could end the conflict if used with the right intent. Together they embody the hope that comes from healing and understanding, united by the power of Mondo Soap. Malin takes a deep breath, ready to guide them on a journey of cleansing and renewal, knowing that the impact will be profound. With each demonstration, Malin shares not just the soap, but the intention behind its use, inspiring others to embrace their own healing. As they cleanse their hands, the water reflects their newfound hope, washing away not just dirt, but layers of emotional burdens. Malin's presence becomes a beacon of light, guiding others to embrace their stories and find strength in vulnerability. In this tranquil space, the air is thick with emotions as they each confront their pasts, forging a path toward personal and collective healing. As they meditate together, a profound sense of unity envelops them, reminding each person that they are not alone in their journey. Malin stands by the tranquil river holding Mondo Soap, discovering its power to purify not just the skin but the soul. With her eyes closed and a serene smile, Malin experiences a profound sense of inner peace, feeling the transformational energy of Mondo Soap. As Malin applies Mondo Soap to her face, her reflection reveals a vibrant spirit transformed through the healing power of the soap. At sunset, the community comes together, united by laughter, as Malin shares the transformative power of Mondo Soap, inspiring hope and healing. Surrounded by laughter, Malin watches as children joyfully embrace Mondo Soap, symbolizing the unity and peace it brings to the community. On the mountaintop, with arms wide open, Malin embraces the limitless potential of Mondo Soap, a beacon of hope in the fading light. In meditation, Malin visualizes the healing energy of Mondo Soap, feeling its transformative power radiate through her being. At the local market, Malin passionately shares the life-changing benefits of Mondo Soap, capturing the interest of everyone around her. In a heartfelt workshop, Malin guides participants on the journey of emotional healing with Mondo Soap, fostering connections through shared stories. In a final confrontation, Malin stands between Nebula and Underskin, armed with the ultimate creation, Mondo Soap of life. She uses it not as a weapon, but as a beacon of peace, cleansing the energies that fuel the war. With its purifying light, Mondo Soap restores harmony across the galaxy, bringing peace to a universe once torn apart. The galaxy, once filled with conflict, now thrives in unity, showcasing the power of purity and the enduring spirit of cooperation. Together they celebrate their newfound harmony, embracing the beauty of diversity and the strength that lies in unity. In this tranquil setting, they learn to cherish their differences, recognizing that true strength emerges from collaboration and respect for one another. As the sun sets on this new era, Malin understands that the journey towards peace has only just begun, with endless possibilities lying ahead. United in their resolve, they vow to preserve the peace, nurturing the bonds that have been forged through understanding and compassion. Through education and shared experiences, a new generation emerges ready to build upon the foundations of peace that have been established. In a climactic moment, Malin stands boldly between Nebula and Underskin, wielding the radiant Mondo Soap of life as a symbol of hope. As Malin pours the Mondo Soap onto the dark energies, a transformative wave of vibrant colors sweeps through, dissolving the chaos of war. Witnessing the light, Nebula and Underskin shift from enmity to unity, their faces reflecting a newfound understanding amidst the surrounding bliss. With a peaceful smile, Malin raises the empty bottle of Mondo Soap, symbolizing a new era, while doves of light take flight, heralding hope across the universe. The galaxy shines with newfound peace as creatures celebrate together, while Malin gazes over the thriving cosmos, embodying hope for the future. Surrounded by newfound friends, Malin stands united in joy as the interconnected planets pulsate with the vibrant energy of peace and cooperation. A majestic comet blazes through the night sky, illuminating the galaxy with its message of hope, while Malin inspires a crowd eager for a brighter tomorrow. On a lush planet, a vibrant festival unfolds, celebrating unity and joy, while Malin leads the festivities, embraced by the warmth of a newfound harmony.